Welcome to the WISE IP video training series. Today, we will connect to the WISE IP over wireless. Connecting to the WISE IP over wireless is very easy. The first thing we need to do is note the SSID and URL of the WISE IP. The SSID of CBC GANZ and the URL of http://cbcgans.setup are on the bottom of the WISE IP. With the SSID and URL known, let's grab our wireless device and configure it. In this case, I'll be using my iPad, though any wireless capable tablet, smartphone, or laptop will do. To connect my iPad to the WISE IP, I need to go to my Utilities folder, Settings, and then Wi-Fi Settings. Under the available Wi-Fi networks, I need to locate the SSID of the WISE IP and select it. I want to make sure that I'm connected to the WISE IP before I exit my settings. Now that my iPad is connected over wireless, I want to access the WISE IP's webpage. There are two options for accessing the WISE IP's webpage. With a QR code reader app, I can scan the QR code found on the box of the WISE IP shipped in. The QR code may also be found in the manual of the WISE IP. To get to the WISE IP's webpage, all I need to do is scan the QR code. If I do not have a QR code scanner, I can launch my browser and then enter the URL of the WISE IP. In the address bar of my browser, I enter http://cbcgans.setup and select Go. Either by way of scanning the QR code or manually entering the URL, the main page offers the following. The Go To Setup page, when selected, brings us to the WISE IP's primary system settings. The system settings cover wireless, TCP/IP, time setup, system, and language. In another video, I'll explore these settings and how they impact the use of the WISE IP. Till then, let's click on Go To Setup page and return to the main page. DHCP, when selected, will issue an IP to any connected DHCP-enabled device. We can see that two devices were found, my iPad and the connected PoE camera. OnViv, when selected, will query for any connected OnViv supporting devices. We can see that the connected OnViv compliant PoE camera was found. Since my iPad is not an OnViv device, it was not seen and so is not listed. ARP, when selected, will query based on the set IP range for any TCP/IP connected devices. We can see that the connected IP PoE camera was found. Note, the ARP function is reliant upon the following requirements. Any connected IP device should already have their IP addressing, and the IP range for the connected devices should be known. At this point, we can select the camera listing and connect to our camera's browser interface. In this case, we can see the camera's live view and setup functions. Note, live video and setup availability are defined by the browser-supported requirement of a camera. For example, cameras that rely on Internet Explorer for video and/or functions will not work on non-Windows devices, such as my iPad. Well, that completes our training video on connecting to the WISE IP by way of wireless. Thank you for viewing this video and keep an eye on our website for more to come.